Welcome to Misery Entertainment, a Don Juan production.
What competition? Won't shoot the dud on this submission. Teacher said I'd be in prison. I was born to speak and not to listen. Muslim, Jewish, Catholic, Christian, what religion? I seen the sound and heard a vision. Killed the shepherds, meat for picking. When Thanksgiving, just shanks risen. Everything a mason isn't, or maybe isn't. Money only make us different. So egotistic, man, that whole stilo fiction. Kilo clipper set tripping, man, die, baby, cry, another living. Grand open, cut the ribbon. More lies and no fucks given. Then they call me schizophrenic, but the drugs don't make them symptoms vanish. Label me damaged, need a table, got manners. How are we so disabled when we're raised by the planters, hunters, and gatherers? Money, Duke, family don't matter, lineage shattered. I'm trying not to follow the pattern, ducking a mad hatter. Niggas hopping like jack rappers, rapping ass backwards, do happers. Whole ones got one job like a hole puncher. Useless as two punters, no hunchers. James plain as cucumbers, and you wanna. I don't know who dumber.